Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move pulse back. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do one of the simple pulse moves would be helpful too. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to go back and look at those things if you need to. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. Here goes. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The main reason for having this move in your repertoire is that it's really helpful from a musicality point of view because it allows you to put a pulse in when you feel a pulse in the music. So we'll break it down. It goes like this. It goes normal first move, back, in, twist out. We're going to bring the lady to take one step forward on her right, and guys are going to block. So we're bringing the lady in to compression as you come forward. So guys, we need to step forwards with that left to give ourselves a nice firm frame. Then we're going to go back, 1, 2, and we're going to go back, 1, 2. Then we're going to twist out and finish the first move off. Twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. We'll do it from the other side so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, in 2, twist out 3, preparation 4, pulsing 5, 6, and then twist out 7, in 8, turning 1, facing 2, returning 3, and back 4. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, pulse back, back, in, twist, prep, pulse, pulse, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that's that. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. It allows you to be more musical when you're dancing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That helps promote the channel, so massive thank you to everyone who does that, and it lets you know if a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. In the last few seconds, there's some windows that come up. One of those is a link to a music video of a tune that is nice to do this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.